Setting up Gemini Assistant is pretty cool for a device to make it much smarter with AI. How can you do it actually? Let's take a look on simple things. First, you need to confirm it that you have default as Google Assistant on your device. You can check it as Google Apps. You can see on the screen how can you check it. Now it's time for Gemini to setting up. The Gemini app may be already on your device. If it's not, just install it Google Play. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Just install it from the Google Play Store. Just Gemini as an active assistant, you have to launch the Gemini app. A screen may pop up asking if you want to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini. If so, tap on switch button, then read the key info of accessing Gemini and tap use Gemini. If you don't see the screen prompting to switch, you can go to the settings, digital assistant from Google, change the assistant to Gemini if necessary. That's it. This is how simple is setting up Gemini on your device. It will make your device much smarter with the power of Gemini AI. You can also start Gemini using by pressing down to the on off button. In few seconds, you can see how simple it is. You can now talk to Gemini with advanced AI tools. You can share photos, screenshot, talk to AI just like ChatGPT, but with Google's power. So yeah, this is how you can simply setting up Gemini. Gemini is a very powerful tool by Google, built with thousands of lakhs of data with billions of parameters. It's a very crazy tool now evolving with Google's power. You can also use in Google search with AI, search temperature and everything in the same place. And I'll see you in the next one.